Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to write a B1 visa seminar invitation letter. This is a very formal document that organizations or companies prepare when they want to invite a guest from another country to attend a seminar in the United States. Because it's for visa purposes, every part of this letter must be precise, professional, and well-structured. So in this video, we'll go step by step, following the exact order of the template, and I'll explain why each part matters and how you can write it correctly. Let's get started. Sender's information. The letter begins with your information, since you or your organization are the ones issuing the invitation. This includes your full name, your job title, your organization or company name, your address, your city, state, and zip code, as well as your email address and phone number. This section establishes credibility and authority. The U.S. Embassy or consulate needs to know exactly who is extending the invitation and how to verify the legitimacy of the request. For example, you might write your full name, your job title, organization or company name, address, city, state, ZIP code, email address, phone number. By including all of this, you're showing professionalism and making it easy for the embassy to contact you if they need clarification. Date. Next, you add the date the letter is written. Since this is a formal communication with an embassy, you should use the full format of month, day, year. For example, November 12th, 2025. This helps keep records clear and ensures the letter is valid for the correct time frame. Recipient's information. After the date, you provide the recipient's details, which in this case is the U.S. Embassy or consulate. Here's how it should look: U.S. Embassy or consulate address, city, country. This section makes sure the letter is directed to the proper authority. Unlike a personal letter, you don't need an individual's name because embassy staff will process visa applications collectively. Addressing it this way keeps it formal and appropriate. Subject line. The subject line is very important in visa-related letters because it immediately tells the purpose of your request. In this template, it is: subject, invitation to attend seminar in the United States. The subject must be short, direct, and professional, so the embassy officers can instantly identify the type of request being made. Salutation. Here, you use a simple and formal greeting: Dear Sir or Madam. Since you don't know the specific officer handling the case, this neutral salutation is the most respectful option. It's polite, professional, and appropriate for government correspondence. Opening paragraph, extending the invitation. The opening paragraph introduces the invitation. You need to clearly state who is being invited, their passport details, and their residence. For example, I am writing on behalf of organization or company name to formally invite invitee's full name, holder of passport number, residing at invitee's address, to attend a seminar organized by our institution in the United States. This information is vital because it establishes who the invitee is and why they're being invited. Including passport details and address ensures accuracy and helps prevent any confusion during the visa application process. Body paragraph 1. Details of the seminar. In the next section, you give full details about the seminar. You must include the seminar title, the exact dates, and the location. The purpose of the seminar should also be explained, for example, to exchange knowledge, discuss industry trends, or provide professional training. For instance, the seminar titled Seminar Title will be held on dates at venue or location, city, state. The purpose of this seminar is to state purpose. This matters because the embassy will want to verify that the trip is legitimate and strictly professional. Giving the purpose adds transparency, and it also strengthens the invitee's application by showing the relevance of the seminar. Body paragraph 2. Benefits and contributions. This part highlights why the invitee should attend. You want to emphasize the benefits they will gain and what they can contribute. For example, we believe that invitee's full name will benefit greatly from participating and will contribute valuable insights during the sessions. This shows that the invitation isn't random. It has clear value for both the attendee and the hosting organization. It tells the embassy that the invitee has a purpose and a role in the event, which strengthens the visa application. Body paragraph 3, clarifying responsibilities. Now you must clarify who will be covering the expenses. This is extremely important because the embassy needs to know the financial arrangements. If the invitee is paying their own way, state that clearly. If the organization is sponsoring the costs, mention that as well. Here's the example from the template. Please note that this invitation is for the sole purpose of attending the seminar, and all expenses related to travel, accommodation, and living costs will be the responsibility of invitee's name or organization if sponsoring. This visit is strictly professional in nature, and invitee's name intends to return to home country upon completion of the seminar. This paragraph reassures the embassy in two ways. It shows financial arrangements are settled, and it emphasizes that the invitee will return home after the seminar, which is a critical factor in visa approval. Body paragraph 4, visa request. Next, you make the actual visa request. We kindly request your assistance in granting a B1 business visa to enable invitee's full name to attend this seminar. This is the formal ask. It's short and professional because the embassy needs a direct statement of the type of visa being requested. Closing paragraph, offering support. Before signing off, you provide an offer to supply more details if needed. For example, should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me at phone number or email address. This shows your openness and readiness to cooperate with the embassy, which adds credibility and trustworthiness to the letter. Closing and signature. Finally, you end the letter with a professional closing. Use "Sincerely then" on the following lines include your full name, your job title, organization or company name. This part makes the letter official and ties it back to the sender. Remember, the embassy needs to know exactly who is authorizing this invitation, so signing off properly is essential. And that's it. We've just broken down the B1 visa seminar invitation letter step by step. Each section of this letter plays a key role, from establishing your authority as the inviter to clarifying the seminar details, responsibilities, and the specific visa request. Remember, embassies look for accuracy, clarity, and professionalism, so following this format carefully can make a huge difference in the outcome of the visa application. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a like, share it with anyone who might need it, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more detailed writing guides. Also, feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.